Hi, my name is Chantel Thomas, and what I'm doing professionally, I am a foster care case manager. I've been doing this for about 2 years now, and every day is a new day, every day is a learning day. But I do enjoy what I do, mostly because I get to have that hands-on experience with children of all ages. What I've enjoyed most about past courses, I think just the topics, and then also interacting with other members in the class and knowing that they're living pretty much the same life I am, as far as trying to balance work with school, and just, getting their different perspectives on some of these topics as well has been interesting for me. What I'm looking forward to is learning more about the policy for social welfare, and definitely the basics. And apparently that's what this class will be touching on. So I'm definitely excited to get into the thick of it and hopefully learn a lot and improve my understanding on social welfare. So see you guys in class, and I hope everybody has a great week. Bye.